Understanding Judicial Foreclosure, a detailed guide. Judicial foreclosure is a critical legal process when homeowners default on their mortgage payments. It typically involves the courts and is governed by specific regulations that differ from state to state. This article aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of judicial foreclosure, its workings, and its implications for borrowers and lenders. What is judicial foreclosure? Judicial foreclosure occurs when a lender seeks a court order to sell a property to recover the mortgage debt after a borrower has defaulted. Unlike non-judicial foreclosure, which allows lenders to initiate foreclosure without court intervention, usually through a power of sale clause, judicial foreclosure mandates that all processes go through the court system. Key elements of judicial foreclosure. Absence of power of sale clause. Judicial foreclosure arises in cases where a mortgage does not include a power of sale clause, leaving the lender with no choice but to involve the courts. Judicial oversight. The process is closely regulated to protect both borrower rights and lender interests. A court's involvement aims to ensure a fair and transparent process. Duration of the process. The judicial foreclosure process can be lengthy, often lasting anywhere from 6 months to several years. This duration depends on various factors such as state laws, the complexity of the case, and court schedules. Step-by-step process of judicial foreclosure. 1. Default notification. A mortgage servicer must wait for 120 days of missed payments before initiating foreclosure. After this grace period, they will send a breach letter to the borrower, clearly indicating the default status. 2. Cure period. Generally, the homeowner has 30 days to rectify the default, meaning they must make up the missed payments. If they fail to do this, foreclosure proceedings can continue. 3. Filing a lawsuit. The lender files a lawsuit in the local county court to seek foreclosure. This filing includes a petition, detailing the reasons for foreclosure and requesting permission to sell the property. 4. Court proceedings. The homeowner may respond to the lawsuit, possibly providing defenses against the default. However, if the court finds in favor of the lender, it will issue a foreclosure judgment. 5. Auction of property. Once the court grants the foreclosure judgment, the property is typically put up for auction. The proceeds from the sale are used to cover the outstanding mortgage debt. 6. Deficiency judgments. If the sale does not cover the full mortgage debt, lenders might pursue a deficiency judgment to recover the remaining balance from the borrower, causing additional financial strain on them. Pros and cons of judicial foreclosure. Pros for borrowers. Judicial oversight. Borrowers have the benefit of court scrutiny over the foreclosure process, reducing the risk of unjust or fraudulent practices by lenders. Opportunity for defense. The court process allows borrowers to present their case or defenses, which can lead to mediation or potential restructuring of their loan. Cons for borrowers. Extended process. The length of the judicial foreclosure process means that borrowers might experience prolonged uncertainty regarding their homeownership status. Potential for further liabilities. If a deficiency judgment is sought, borrowers may face ongoing financial liability even after the property has been sold. Pros for lenders. Legal process. Judicial foreclosure provides a legally secure route for recovering debts owed, backed by legal validation from the courts. Potential recovery of deficiencies. As mentioned, lenders may pursue deficiency judgments, thus potentially recovering more of the unpaid debt. Cons for lenders. Time-consuming. Engaging in judicial foreclosure can delay the recovery of debts, potentially leading to financial losses for lenders over time. Costs. The costs associated with court fees and legal representation can increase the total burden for lenders compared to non-judicial processes. State variations in foreclosure laws. Judicial foreclosure laws can vary significantly between states. While some states require judicial foreclosure for all mortgages, others allow both judicial and non-judicial processes. States like Florida, New York, and Illinois primarily follow judicial foreclosure practices, offering a certain level of borrower protection. Conversely, States such as California and Texas facilitate non-judicial foreclosures, allowing lenders to sidestep the court system altogether, which can expedite the process but may reduce protections for borrowers. Conclusion. Judicial foreclosure represents a crucial aspect of mortgage law, particularly in states where it is mandated. It serves to protect the rights of borrowers while allowing lenders to recover debts owed. Understanding the intricacies of this process can help homeowners take informed actions in the unfortunate event of foreclosure, potentially minimizing financial and emotional impacts. Always seeking legal counsel is advisable for both borrowers and lenders navigating this complex process.